and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm all ready to go somewhere and I am off to France. I am going to a place called Reims. This is how it's pronounced in English, not in French. I can't speak French, so I'm going to keep the pronunciation in English. It's a small, not a small, like a place. I've never been, so I'll find out. Just outside of Paris. I'm going with a bunch of friends and I'm taking you along with me. I've been so busy with work. I haven't looked where we can eat, what we can do. So I'm going to get there. My friends will hopefully have done some research, but it's a long weekend and we're off to London, get a train to Paris, get another train from Paris to Reims, and then adventure starts tomorrow, because it's going to be a whole day of travel. So let's go catch the train to London. It's nice and warm, thank God, not raining so far. And before I take you with me, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and let's go. So reached London now and on my way to Paris. I'll show you the train picnic we've got. All types of stuff.
anything else?
Here we are, arrived in Paris, and we're now gonna catch the next train to Reims. But it's glorious, I'm in Paris! But sadly not here for staying this time. So we had a little drink and a little break in Paris, not long, an hour. And now we are off to Reims on the last train of the day. It's quite far, but it's really fun. That's our train. Going to board that now. This is snacks for our last train journey. So just arrived at the apartment we're staying in. It's beautiful. It's 10 o'clock at night and it's still so bright. It's my girlfriend's. And yeah, we're gonna go check in and then call it a night, hopefully get some rest. So we've got a long day tomorrow. Looks fantastic. First stop, some brunch. So that's the menu. Got some nice turmeric ginger juice to start with. That's kind of like their version of Turkish eggs, fried eggs, some savory granola, bread, salad. And that's waffles with fried chicken. It looks incredible. So we've been walking, finished brunch, and we've come to this square. We're heading to a cathedral, but this looks like a nice little old square. So the square is actually this Place Royale, Louis XV. So this is the square. Yeah. So we walked inside the cathedral. It's beautiful colors. So stunning. Let me show you. And that is the Cathedral of Reims. We've seen the inside and this is the outside. Quite stunning actually, really nice square with like cafes and bars around it. The weather is really nice, not sunny but nice and warm and not raining. Really nice. So just some drinks opposite the cathedral. Really nice area, restaurants. I have searched for bakeries and this is the laundry and I'm very excited to go in, see what they have on offer. They've got lots of goodies. Don't know what to get. Okay, so we've arrived for some champagne tasting at Pommery Rankin and we're going in. It looks really special. There are loads of champagne tasting here and we've chosen this. So, very funny installations. So now we have started the champagne house tour and we've come to the house, and this is like a house that was built in 1904 got destroyed, used for war. The whole story, I'm not going to bore you with that, but I'm just going to show you a little glimpse of inside the house. It was restored in 2004 and just the pieces in here, it's stunning. The walls are hand painted, it's just lovely, everything's gorgeous. And I'll show you a little glimpse of it. Moving on to the first floor, more beautiful furniture, more beautiful painting, and I'm not going to bore you anymore with this house, just going to take you straight to the champagne tasting. That is the Madeleine.
Oh, in fact it is because I can see it out there.
Caramel
We're gonna
inside.
leave the outfits there.
And that's the kind of the headquarters, the house. We'll go inside and have a look. So the house is done. To the cellar to learn more about the champagne. Stopping for some drinks at the square. Very busy. Looks fantastic. Everyone enjoying their drinks. Okay, so sitting to eat some onion rings, paratha, and this is fantastic. Oh, it's nice and soft. Hello, day 2 from Reims. That's all the dogs. And we had a fantastic day yesterday. Lots of food, champagne, just lovely walking around. Did 20,000 steps, I think. And then today we have just come for some breakfast, brunch actually, it's quite late. And we found this square which is packed with restaurants, found a bakery. Let's go in. Starting with some omelette, salmon, coffee. Going in here, found this on Instagram, somebody mentioned. So I think they've got lots of bakes. I did check their page before I got here. They've got lots of lovely bakes. They've got some fresh salads, sandwiches. So should be quite good. Looks pretty good. I've come to a bakery which is very famous for their pink biscuits. I'm going to try them and see if I like them to buy them for home. But yeah, let's go in. They are famous for doing like nice pink biscuit stuff, like sugary sponge biscuits like these. Look at that. So this is very famous biscuit shop. It's been in the family, I think, for like generations or something. And I have come here to check out the stuff. Everything looks so good, and they've got little tasters around the whole shop, so you can try it before you buy it, kind of a thing, which is actually quite helpful. We've got lots of little pastes. Very interesting.
Lovely, that's a good sound.
Time to stop for some champagne. Just stopping very quickly at the local, like really corner shop, and picking up some snacks for the flat and for the train back. We had a lovely day out, and now we're back in our apartment. We haven't had lunch, so we have some food left over from our train picnic still. So we're gonna get that stuff out and have a little picnic on the balcony and go out for dinner straight away. Let me show you what we have left over. So that's the place we're going for dinner. Celeste, I Just was searching, Instagram found them, and it's just by the street, by the square. It's just a place that does just bruschettas, and it's just got different varieties of bruschettas, and that's all their menu is. So, and they've got a massive dessert menu, so it's my kind of place. Cheers, cheers, everyone. Cheers, 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 cheers.
It's got the right amount of tart fruit in it.
Oh my god, and the warmth of the booze.
This
as well.
is heaven.
Sometimes you think
Okay, so that's a mushroom, mozzarella, cream cheese, bruschetta, along with everyone else's. Okay, so this is a pecan tart with ice cream and some pecans in it, some popcorn. It smells nice and warm and delicious. So, finished dinner and we've come to the cathedral for a light show. We had to run because it started. I'll show you. So sadly our time in Reims is now over. Yesterday was amazing, but the highlight of the day was the light show at the cathedral. It was free and it was 15 minutes long. It was amazing. There were loads, hundreds of people watching it. Fantastic. Highly recommend if you're in this part of the world. Now we are at the train station. Went to a little bakery this morning. Picked up a few things for the train. Totally forgot to take the video. But we're now got 3 trains back home. First to Paris, then from Paris to London, and then from London to home. So hopefully we'll get some lunch in Paris. But I'm going to sign out now. I have no idea how this vlog is going to turn out because I try to remember to take videos, but I sometimes forget. Hope you've enjoyed it, given you a glimpse of this part of the world, and don't forget to subscribe. I will be back from my kitchen with a recipe very soon. Bye for now.